or just taking a little documentation. These firemen are a little pissed off. This person decided to drive in their car. Not any kind of off-road vehicle at all. Just a sedan. And in the middle of Lanier in Ontario. And the firemen were like, "What the hell are you guys doing? Get the hell out the street, man." And then we got Puppy over there. Look at this doggy. We got this doggy right here. See the dog over there? That doggy right over there. Look, he's just watching. See him? He's just watching the whole thing over there. Can't even tell it's a dog. He's like, "What are the humans doing? Oh no." Okay. You silly humans. They're coming out in this stuff. Oh yeah. Keep going. Don't lose momentum. Oh, done lost momentum.